Hello and welcome to Learn English with Fun Classes, everybody. This is another beautiful video of practicing spoken English with the help of AI. And you all know which AI am I talking about. I'm talking about AI Gemini, right? So with the help of Gemini application, with the help of this beautiful AI tool, you all can practice your spoken English. You will feel that you are talking to a teacher. You are getting your tutor, your personal teacher, for free of cost. If you want to improve your communication skills with a lot of conversation, I will show you today how you can do it with investing 0 rupees. If you don't believe, watch this video till the end, because today in this video I'm going to help you out to find out your speaking English partner, where you can practice endless conversation with this AI speaking English partner. So without any further delay, let's go. Well, I came here to practice my spoken English. Could you please help me like a teacher to improve my communication skills?
I'd be happy to help you practice your spoken English. What would you like to talk about? We can start with your day or something you're interested in.
No, I want you to start with a situational based conversation.
Sure, let's try a situational conversation. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the waiter just came to take your order. What would you say?
Can we change the scenario?
Sure, what kind of scenario would you like to practice?
Well, I would love to practice the scenario of booking a room at a hotel.
Great choice. Let's begin. Good evening, welcome to Grand Hotel. How may I assist you?
Well, good evening, ma'am. I want to book a room after 5 days for 6 days.
Certainly. What dates would you like to book the room for?
5 days from now.
Okay, so that would be from March 25th to March 31st. Is that correct?
That's correct, that's correct.
And how many guests will be staying in the room?
Well, there we are 3.
And would you prefer a room with a single king-size bed or 2 queen-size beds?
A single king-size bed.
Alright, and would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
No, I would prefer non-smoking room.
Okay, and would you like a room with a view of the city or the ocean?
Well, view of the city sounds better.
Alright, and would you like a room with a balcony or a terrace?
Balcony.
Sure. Would you prefer a room with a small kitchenette or a full-size kitchen?
A small kitchen.
Great. And would you like a room with a shower or a bathtub?
Shower will work.
You got it. So a non-smoking room with a king-size bed, a balcony, and a city view. Just to confirm, you'd like to book this for 3 guests for 6 nights, starting March 25th?
Yes, all the informations are correct.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Could you help me to understand the facilities which I'll get there?
Sure. The Grand Hotel offers a variety of amenities for guests. We have a fitness center, a swimming pool, and a spa. There are also several on-site restaurants and bars to choose from. In your room, you'll find a king-size bed, a private balcony with a city view, a kitchenette, and a shower.
The spa and gym, they all are free of cost?
The fitness center is complimentary for all guests. The spa offers a variety of services at an additional cost.
Alright, and what about the charges of meal?
We have a few different dining options at the hotel. There's a casual cafe, a fine dining restaurant, and a bar with light snacks. The prices vary depending on which one you choose. Would you like me to send you the menus?
No, I don't need that menu. Could you please tell me the charges of my stay for these 6 days?
Okay, for your 6-night stay, the total would be 15,000 rupees. This includes your room with a king-size bed, balcony, and city view, as well as access to the fitness center and pool.
There isn't meal included in the stay charges?
I understand you're asking if meals are included in the room rate. No. The 15,000 rupees covers your room and access to the hotel's amenities like the fitness center and pool.
Oh.
Meals are separate, and you can choose from our on-site restaurants and bars.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with
No,
today?
thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
So this is how you can communicate with the next AI, and that is Gemini AI. And I hope it is so wonderful, it is so beautiful, it is so helpful, because it corrects you when you commit some mistake. I'll show you how. I want you to understand that I don't want you to practice with me only. I want you to be my teacher and correct me when I commit some mistakes.
Okay, I understand. You'd like me to act as your teacher and correct your mistakes. I'm happy to do that. Let's begin with your introduction then. Tell me a little about yourself.
Well, my name is Rohan. I'm from New Delhi and I belong to Madhya Pradesh. I reside here in New Delhi for my education and I'm pursuing graduation. And I'm interested in painting, I'm interested in traveling, and I am interested in meeting with new people.
That's interesting, Rohan. There were just a few little things in there we can work on. First, when you said you belong to Madhya Pradesh, it might sound more natural to say you're originally from Madhya Pradesh since you live in New Delhi now.
Okay.
And you mentioned
So I should say I'm originally from Madhya Pradesh. Is it correct?
Yes, that's right. Now, tell me more about your interest in painting. What kind of paintings do you like to create?
Well, I want to create realistic paintings. I have done many paintings in which my favorite is one of my friend's painting.
That's fantastic, Rohan. Creating realistic paintings requires a lot of skill and attention to detail. It sounds like you've got a good handle on it. It's great you have a favorite too. Could you describe your friend's painting for me?
I cannot describe. Can you ask me some simple questions?
Sure thing. Let's try this. What colors did your friend use in the painting?
Well, I used black color, I used purple color, I used many colors that I don't remember right now.
That's perfectly alright, Rohan. Perhaps you could tell me if the painting used warm colors like reds and yellows, or cooler colors like blues and greens?
Oh, okay, got you. Ask few more questions.
Sure. Was the painting of a place, a person, or something else?
No, the painting was of a person.
Okay, that's a great start. Now, can you tell me if the person in the painting was standing, sitting, or doing something else?
How to say if the person was sitting on his haunches?
You could say the person was squatting or crouching.
The person was squatting or crouching. Is it correct?
Yes, that's correct. Now, can you tell me anything about the person's expression or what they were looking at?
I don't know the expression's name, how to express that expression. In that picture, he was looking so angry. How to say that?
You could say he had an angry expression, or he looked angry, or even his face was contorted in anger.
Okay, so his face was contorted in anger. Is it correct?
Yes, that's right. Now, let's try adding a bit more detail. Can you tell me
well,
if his eyes were wide and narrow, or if his mouth was open or closed?
Gemini, I'm getting late. We'll talk to you later.
Okay, Rohan, it was nice chatting with you. I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Same here. Thank you. Alright, so this was the second type of conversation which I did with the help of Gemini AI tool. And there are so many scenarios which you can create, or you can ask the Gemini to create accordingly. And with all this, you can practice for unlimited time and with investing 0 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Go and install this application, start practicing it right now. If you don't know how to do this, watch this part 1, which you will get the link in the description box also, and this I button also. So go and you must check it out and start practicing. Stop giving excuses. Start practicing and speaking in English. I hope you like this video, enjoyed this video, watching this till the end. Share it with your friends, like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment which part of the video you enjoyed the most. And next video हमारे किस topic या किस conversation starters पे होना चाहिए. If you want me to prepare some more videos, comment down below. We'll surely prepare this for you. We'll see you in the next class now. Till then, bye bye.